has finally unveiled the plans for the Yuge Yugin Bharat Museum, and what you can see behind me are the north and the south blocks where this Yuge Yugin Bharat Museum is going to come up on the Raisina Hill. Both these buildings, which housed a number of ministries, have now been totally vacated, and you can already see some work has started on this museum with the renovations being carried out, and the government has now said that the document that we have accessed shows a rupees 735 crore plan for the first major construction package of this ambitious project, the Yuge Yugin Bharat Museum, marking a significant step in transforming the iconic north and south blocks into one of the world's largest museums dedicated to India's civilizational history. The document is putting a deadline of around 26 months for this massive project to come up, the Yuge Yugin Bharat Museum. The completion deadline is 26 months from the day the project is awarded, and what we are hearing is that rupees 735 crore big plan to convert these historic buildings. You know, these are the pre-independence buildings, British era buildings. The north and the south block will be the Yuge Yugin Bharat Museum, one of the biggest museums in the world, which will showcase India's civilizational journey. The big thing which is coming up, there will be an underground tunnel built. This document mentions that between the north and the south blocks, there will be an underground tunnel linking the museum between the north and the south blocks, so that people can use that, you know, the staff can use that, so that there is minimum disturbance on the main road which leads up to the Raisina Hill. This is going to be the big plan which you're speaking about, and you can see on the top of there the crane that is already working on this particular project, and we can see that, you know, the north and the south blocks on Raisina Hill have already been vacated for the purpose of this museum. Critical infrastructure works are to happen here. A big ticketing plaza will come up on the Raisina Hill, which will be, you know, responsible, where the tickets for the museum will be given. A service tunnel I told you about, the facade and the courtyard works, lifts will be built here. There will be electrical and plumbing services, and unlike exhibition or gallery related contracts, you know, this package is creating, this museum is creating a full infrastructure project around this big museum. You know, we already have an agreement with the Louvre Museum of France, which are giving the technical expertise on what all galleries can come up in this huge building. And this is, you know, a huge building. If you see the kind of, you know, the area of this entire building, this is a huge north and south blocks, and the museum is planned to span nearly 1.55 lakh square meters, making it one of the largest museums in the world. It is also expected to showcase India's civilizational journey spanning over 5,000 years, including multiple galleries, immersive exhibitions, and model digital experiences. The museum will also have integrate cutting-edge technology with heritage architecture. So the first construction package of rupees 735 crores is out for the Yuge Yugin Bharat Museum, and within the next 2 years, you could see this museum take shape in these historic buildings behind me on the north and the south blocks.